So you've stashed some cash in your Sofi savings account. Smart move. Great interest rates, easy access, it's a win-win. But what if that rainy day clears up and you need your money back? Don't worry, withdrawing from Sofi is just as smooth as depositing. Now, before we dive in, a quick heads up. Sofi, like most online banks, doesn't have physical branches. That means no ATM withdrawals with your fancy Sofi debit card, although they do offer a Sofi Money debit card for everyday purchases. But fear not, there are still plenty of ways to get your hands on your cash. Alright, with that out of the way, let's explore the withdrawal highways of Sofi. Option 1, the trusty ACH transfer. This is your classic bank transfer, the backbone of the financial world. Here's how it goes. Log into your Sofi account, web or app. Navigate to the transfer section. This might differ slightly depending on your interface, but it shouldn't be too tricky to find. Select withdraw because, well, that's what we're doing. Choose the account you want to transfer the money to. This could be your checking account at another bank, a friend's account to pay them back, you're the responsible one, or even another Sofi account if you have one. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and double-check it. Typos and money don't mix well. Hit that transfer button and watch your money magically journey to its new home. Now, ACH transfers are generally free, but there can be a slight delay. Sofi typically takes 1 to 3 business days to process the transfer, depending on the receiving bank. Patience, young grasshopper. Option 2, Sofi Money debit card for everyday withdrawals. Note, this option only applies if you have a Sofi Money debit card. If you need your cash a little faster and have some everyday purchases lined up, the Sofi Money debit card might be your friend. You can use it for in-network ATM withdrawals. Here's the catch, Sofi offers unlimited fee-free withdrawals at over 55,000 all-point ATMs. That's a massive network, bigger than some of the big bank guys. But if you use an out-of-network ATM, you might get hit with a fee, so keep an eye out for those pesky charges. So, how do you find an all-point ATM? There are a couple of ways. You can use the All-Point ATM Locator app, or check Sofi's website. They have a handy map that shows all the in-network locations. Option 3, the old-fashioned check. Maybe you need to pay your rent the old-school way, or you want to surprise a friend with a paper trail of awesomeness. Sofi can mail you a check. Here's how to get that paper party started. Log into your Sofi account and head to the transfers section again. Select withdraw and choose check as your transfer method. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, check typos are bad too. Confirm the mailing address where you want to receive the check. Double check, because lost checks are a whole other adventure. Submit your request, and Sofi will mail you a check, typically within 3 to 5 business days. Withdrawal limits, a gentle reminder. Sofi, like most financial institutions, has withdrawal limits in place to help ensure account security. The exact limits can vary depending on your account type, but they're generally pretty reasonable. You can find the latest information on Sofi's website or by contacting their customer support. So, there you have it. Withdrawing money from your Sofi savings account is a breeze. Whether you choose the tried and true ACH transfer, the swipe-tastic Sofi Money debit card for in-network ATMs, or the classic paper check, you've got options. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.